Are we going to be happy with this? Are we going to want to display this sticker? We're going to find out. Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today I'm going to do something I've never done before. I'm going to install an RV airflow systems air diverter in this Dometic air conditioner. Are these things all hype? Are they worth the money? I don't know. We're going to find out. I have a couple of extremely scientific experiments we're going to do before and after. And I don't know, I might try and get fancy, do like a split screen before and after. So let's start that process. One thing I'm going to do, I did download a decibel app on my phone. We're going to check the decibel level because the RV airflow system is supposed to make the air conditioner quieter, supposed to move more air, and it's supposed to make the air cooler. So we're going to test two of those things. So let's get started. Alright, so that was the decibel reading. You saw that 70 to 80. Oh, let's go to the other side. So now I'm going to go to the vent. Probably the most important vent is the one in the bedroom. Get some light. And to check airflow, we're going to use a very technical piece of equipment here. It's called a napkin. Let's see how this works. I'm going to just hold it by the corner. We're going to put it up here by the vent, and we're going to see. Let me do it the other hand. All right, just holding it right there, and it's moving that much air. Let's try this side. Okay, so it's moving good air. Okay. Well, all right. There's our two highly scientific tests. So yeah, let's get started. What is in the box? I don't know, because I haven't opened it yet. So let me see what is in this box. Angle y'all down a little bit. See here. Looks like we got some instructions. We'll throw those away first. Right? We do not want to. We don't want to lose our man card today. Men, don't look at it. Oh, there's the instructions. Yeah, we'll throw those away. Yeah. So we got a couple pieces of self-adhesive, high-density foam for seals, I'm assuming. And yes, I'm gonna look at the directions here in a minute. We have a little bit of aluminum tape. We got a couple of duct thingies to help open the ducts, because usually the ducts are not very open in these RV air conditioners. Coach manufacturers do a horrible job with the ducts. And then the most important thing is our styrofoam air diverter. Air goes in here, comes out over here, should perfectly line up with those thingies that go in the duct. These are manufacturer and model specific, so they're made for. This is a Dometic Brisk Air 2. That's what this one is for. And we've got a sticker so we can proudly display the fact that we got an RV airflow product in our RV. Now, are we going to be happy with this? Are we going to want to display this sticker? We're going to find out. So, first thing we have to do is get all this plastic down up here to expose the plenum. Now this does have the quick cool or air dump, as some people call it. Now from what I understand, this RV airflow product will eliminate that. This will no longer be able to be used. All the air will go through the ducts all the time when you're using air conditioner. Some people that's important, others it's not. It just depends on how you're accustomed to using your RV. I'm trying to find a better place for that light, and there is no such thing unless point it straight up. It makes me in the shadows, but I think that's okay. You don't need to see me, you need to see the product. So we're going to just pull all this down. On this one, there's probably going to be like 8 screws to get it down. I don't like that light down there. All right, now's when I'm gonna read the instructions. So, not gonna make y'all watch that. I'll see if I can find a better place for that light. Be right back. All right, the instructions said remove the control box because we have to pull this this thing down here. It's where our bolts go in to hold the air conditioner down. We're going to pull down the old air dam. Yep. Yeah, now we're going to modify that. We're going to take the air dam off of it. I think that's what the instructions said. First, let's kind of inspect our duct area. And this is kind of typical. See that duct? Now how much air can flow through that little slit? Not too much. Would you agree? That's what these doodads are for. And we will now have airflow this big instead of that little slit like we got right now. So it's got to be better. It has to be. I'm always a little bit skeptical about new technology, but yeah, I don't know. This thing seems to make sense to me. They call this a divider plate. And what we're going to do is, there's 2 parts to this. One part is just put on with self-adhesive or double-sided tape. We're going to peel that one off, and we're going to leave the original. It's actually welded to this plate. So yeah, we're going to get this thing off here. Doesn't have to be pretty, just has to be off, and then we'll clean up all this scraggly stuff. Now it wants us to remove the yellow protected paper and put this around the lip on this duct insert. I want to make sure that this duct insert fits okay first, because we're gonna have to make it fit in that where they just had the styrofoam slits. So let me check that out real quick. Alrighty, got those installed. That looks way better. You know that's got to flow more air now. Okay, now we see if this thing goes in without any modifications, which we hope it will. Just kind of depends on exactly what size the coach manufacturer made this hole up here. Because as y'all all know, when they build an RV, they don't do anything exact. Just if it's close enough, it works, and if it ain't close enough, somebody will have to deal with it later. So as you can see, this hole is offset to match up to the hole in the upper unit coming down. So let's see. Now that, because we put that foam on the back side of these duct inserts, this is going to be a tight fit. So let me see if I can work this up in here. Because it has to be tight to seal the air. Oops, don't do that. Alright, I got it started. Oh, it's catching on the top of the ducts. Now, I'm telling you, this is tight, so just take your time and get the thing up in there without doing any damage. And yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera off for a minute and finish getting that thing up in there. Alright, we got that thing snaked up in there. And actually, I looked at the instructions. This is pretty heavy cardboard. It actually says cut this in half, put it up in there and use it for shims to help get that up in there. So don't do what like I did, just do it. Read the instructions. So yeah, we got it up in there. We got it taped on all four sides. There was a little gap right here on both sides. So where the manufacturer made the ducts a little bit larger than what RV Airflow anticipated. So that's why they give you the aluminum tape. Got that all taped off, and now we're going to put the metal thingy back on here, bolt the air conditioner back down, and then we're going to see if this thing works. So I think that's all we have to do to this now. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let me get the clamp bolts back in this air conditioner. We'll be right back. Alrighty, we're all buttoned up. Got to get the plastic on. But there's what it looks like. Here's where our air dump used to be. As you can see, it's gone. Yeah, everything's all sealed up. Nice. Control box is back on. So let's put the plastic on and break out our scientific equipment and start testing. Well, it is quieter. It's 8 to 10 decibels quieter. Let's see if we can tell anything about this duct in here. It's causing it to flap now. So, yeah, I would say, I'd say it's moving more air. I mean, after I saw those ducts, how could it not move more air, right? Well, there you have it. There's how to install that RV Airflow thingy in your air conditioner. And I'll be honest with you, I was a skeptic. I did not think it was going to work that well. That vent back in the garage is a toy hauler. I didn't check it with my highly scientific napkin, but man, you could tell that thing was blowing a lot harder. So yeah, as far as I'm concerned, the hype is not hype, it's just the truth. So that's all I got. Don't y'all tell the truth. Well, no, tell the truth. Always tell the truth. Get down in that comment section, leave me a comment, criticism, concern. I'll catch you next time.